Hello everyone, this is Digital Hema here. Now we are going to have the more look on the most important module in digital marketing, which helps many small and medium businesses to drive traffic to their website and revenue in an organic way. That is free way of marketing. That means they no need to spend a penny in marketing. So let's have a look on what is meant by SEO. So SEO is one of the module in digital marketing. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. So Search Engine Optimization is the process of optimizing your website in such a way that to appear in top of the SERP search engine results page for the keyword entered by the user. So now what is meant by search engine results page? Results page. I will show you how what is the search engine results page. So let's type online shopping sites Hyderabad. So here we can see justdial.com. This is one of the website and shopperstop.com. This is the second website and cottonworld.net. This is the third website. hyderabadstores.com. These are the sites which search engine shows according to the ranking. And what is search engine results pages? The list of all the websites representing in this page. Nothing but this page is called the search engine results page, where we can see all the information of the websites at one place. This is called search engine results page for the keyword entered by the user in search engine in Google. So this is the keyword online shopping sites Hyderabad. This is the keyword that we are entering in search engine. Searching Google is one of the search engine. So SEO is a process of optimizing your website to appear on top of the search engine results page for the keyword searched by the user. So optimizing Just Dial is one of the website we are optimizing internally with some of the techniques using SEO to appear on top of the Google. This is the first website that appear in Google search engine results page. So just dial people optimize their website to appear on top of the SERP. This is nothing but the way of optimizing the website using some of the techniques is called the SEO. But SEO is a free way of marketing. That is a key advantage of SEO. So before knowing about SEO, let's have a look on how search engine works. As I told you, search engine, Google is a search engine. So some of the search engines are Google, Bing, Yahoo, and many other. Ask. So we have so many search engines, but we mostly use Google, the best search engine. So search engine is a program that searches, identifies items in a database that corresponds to keywords specified by the user. Use it especially for finding particular sites on the World Wide Web. So if we search with particular keyword on Google, so search engine it searches and identifies with respect to keyword and provides you information in search engine results page. So like for the keyword we type it online shopping sites Hyderabad. So the search engine based on this keyword it identifies identifying keyword and searches the particular keyword in the database, and after identifying the keyword related information, then it replaces in front of us this website information to us. So the thing is, on what basis search engine, on what factors search engine provides and identifies searches, keywords, and provide us information in front of us? This is a question here. So the answer is, the search engines perform their work in three stages. Before providing the information related websites in SERP page, for the keyword entered by the user, it performs three stages of actions, that is crawling, indexing, and ranking. Crawling. So this is one of the stage where search engine acts. The first step, it's a software called spider or crawler, where crawler crawls each page in a website that you're providing information, and it collects the data in each and every page of your website and collects the data. For for example, this is one of the website and you are the owner of this website, so you are providing some of the information in this website, like online shopping services, internet website for government services near me, and these are the services this website is providing for you. So crawler comes to this website and crawls this each and every page. So this is the popularity, this is some of the sub page, this is the location, this is the distance, open now. So when we go into this particular category, so this particular category is providing some kind of service. So crawler crawls the data in this page, each and every page like this, and collects the data, that what your website is all about and what your website is providing kind of service or the product. So that is the action performed by the crawling. So indexing, after collecting the data what your website is providing, it going to index that data into some under some category. Like for example, if you are providing, your website is providing some kind of product like clothes, it's come to the category of online shopping, and online shopping is a category. Under your clothes is subcategory, shoes is subcategory. Likewise, the indexing do the job of categorizing your information into some category. And ranking, based on the content, the quality of your content you're providing on your website and the links you're providing, your website search engine ranks your position of your website into some position. Like cottonwool.net is the second position in SERP page. That means based on online shopping in, by consider online shopping in India, it is the second position, it is in second position compared it to justdial.com. So this, somehow this website is providing quality related content and links and many more things compared to second one. So search engine ranked first, in first position, just dial. So that is the third stage performed by the search engine. So in this ranking factor can be improved by using off-page techniques, and crawling and indexing can be improved by using the technical C SEO, and on-page techniques can be improved. Sorry, page and content optimization can be improved using the on-page techniques. So before going to that, let us know the benefits of SEO and who uses SEO mostly. So SEO users are professional bloggers, business people, and freelancers. Professional bloggers. Bloggers, in the sense, they are meant to provide some kind of information to people who are need of, like, if I want to search resorts, resorts in Hyderabad. So these are the services. Book now and get up to 50% off. But they see this the top 10 best Hyderabad resorts 2001 with prices. This is some kind of real information that the blogger is providing to the user who are in need of. So the user want to know some information like what are the best resorts in Hyderabad. So this blogger is going to give you some kind of information like Pragati resorts, the cost, and free parking, the best value of 6 Hyderabad resorts, and the reviews. So these are the things the blogger is going to give to the user. So professional bloggers, with the help of SEO, they can get their website in the top of SERP page by using SEO techniques in a free way of marketing without spending a penny in their website or in the marketing. So the professional bloggers, by giving a quality content, links and all, with the help of SEO, they drive traffic to their sites. And business people, the business people, like all they provide the service, or whether they are providing the service or a product, they use SEO in order to drive traffic and drive more revenue to their business. And freelancers, the people who do freelancing under SEO modules, by doing SEO in digital marketing, those are helpful, those are benefited by the SEO. Benefits with SEO. These are the benefits while using SEO techniques to their website. It drives quality traffic to the website. Using SEO, by providing quality content, links and all, they can drive traffic to their website. Long traffic. That means they can trust your website with with the content you're providing. If it's quality content, they are lifelong customers to your site. Generate quality leads. If you're providing any service or a product, if they can build trust on your product or service, you can generate the quality leads. It's an organic way of marketing. It's a free way of marketing. You cannot spend any money for advertisement and all. And brand awareness. Brand awareness is kind of, you are getting to known to the people by using SEO, like Amazon. Amazon is well known to in all over India. It's like a brand. In the same way, you can make your website, you can make your service or a product as a brand to the customers. And come to SEO techniques. So we spoke about brand awareness, generating quality leads, generating driving traffic to your website. How can we achieve all those things with SEO? What is meant by SEO? What are the SEO techniques? So these are the techniques that we are going to use on your website or content so that you can drive traffic to your site and revenue, brand awareness, generating leads. All those things can be achieved only by SEO techniques. So, there are some SEO techniques which we need to concentrate. They are on page SEO techniques. So, some of the on page SEO techniques that we are going to use in the content which you're providing in your website with that might be some paragraphs or some information you're providing to the user, or the service you're providing. That is a kind of content, the image, video, anything that may be. So you are using on page SEO techniques to your content which is present in your website. This whole point is to make your website at the top of SERP. That means the first the first position your website is going to be appear in SERP page. That is when a user searches for a particular keyword, if your website is appears at the top of the SERP page, then he is going to look this then he is going to click at that website. Obviously, he doesn't go down. So if we let's check for online shopping sites Hyderabad. Usually people search for just dial online shopping shoppers.com, Hyderabad hydstores.com, Myntra.com, but we never go till the end to look for the sites, isn't it? So that is what we are going to do to appear on top of SERP with the help of on-page SEO techniques that we are going to use on your content present in your website to position in first rank, in ranking your position at first place in SERP. This is one type of SEO technique, and off-page SEO techniques. These are the techniques that we are not going to use inside your website content, but we are going to use outside of your website with the content present in your website. The sole point is to improve your site ranking in SERP. This is the sole point using SEO. If and only if your website ranking in first position or first five positions, then you can able to drive traffic, revenue and all. So these are the techniques which are effective techniques that we are going to use for every website, for every business website, for every blog, everything. And technical SEO, where it comes to technical, related to technical, that we are going to optimize the website. These are some technical factors that we are going to do in a website to improve site rankings. Crawling, indexing, rendering in the sense ranking, and website architecture. That means a security certificate, SSL certificate, and create XML sitemaps. These are some of the technical factors that we are going to use in a website related to search engines, so that search engine can recognize your site. To recognize your site, so we are going to do some technical things in a website. So these are the techniques that we are going to discuss furtherly in other videos, and we get to know some of the on-page SEO techniques. The on-page SEO techniques are that in your website, if you're writing some kind of information, like um, for example, if we go to traveling. No, now if we see traveling blogs, this is one of the blog which is all about the traveling. So see here the latest post blog, latest post, 4 epic ways to travel the world. So this is the content that one of the blogger wrote about the traveling. This is the image that he wrote. This is the content he wrote. So we are going to use on-page SEO techniques within this content on his website. He's going to apply he's going to apply on-page technique in his website in this content, so that he can appear in optimizing those on-page techniques. He is going to rank his website in top of the SERP page for the category of traveling. So this is the content we are going to write in our website, or related to some product or service. So we are going to provide some information related to one topic, and we are going to use on-page techniques on that content. And so what are the SEO techniques, particular SEO on-page techniques that we are going to consider? It's like title of the content and optimizing the description in such a way that the user should attract. And we are going to look after what kind of headings we need to use, and we are going to look look after link buildings and some of the other non-page SEO techniques that we need to look after. And what are the off-page SEO techniques? See, these are the techniques we are not going to use in our website, that we are going to use in some other's website with our content in order to build the traffic from their website. This we need to look after how to write the content, and how to build link building, and now how to do on-page SEO techniques, and now how to do off-page techniques. Some of the off-page techniques I can tell you is articles, writing articles in other blogs, and giving our site link to in their website, and social bookmarking, image submission, video submission, and some of the off-page techniques, and many more are there. We are going to discuss in further videos in detail about that. And technical SEO, that also, it's not related to coding, don't worry. But these are the simple technical things that we are going to do on our website easily, and in detail you get to know about them. And if you have any further questions, please do post a comment. Please do post your question in a comment section, and let's meet in other video with in detail about the on-page techniques, off-page techniques, technical SEO, and how to write a content on your website. Thank you so much.